Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to quickly change the layout or style of a block inside WordPress but weren't sure how, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to transform a block in WordPress the easy way, step by step with the latest interface. Whether you're customizing text, images, or layouts, this guide will make it super simple. So stick around till the end. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress account. Open your browser, go to the WordPress homepage, and click on the Login button at the top right corner. Once the login screen appears, you can log in using your usual credentials. But for a faster and more secure option, click Continue with Google. Select your preferred Google account, and you'll be logged in instantly without needing to remember passwords. Now that you're inside your WordPress dashboard, it's time to head into the site editor. From the dashboard, find and click on Edit Site. This will take you directly into the new WordPress block editor, where all the magic happens. Inside the editor, find the block you want to transform. Maybe it's a paragraph block you'd like to turn into a heading, or a list block you want to convert into columns. Click on that block once to select it. Next, take a look at the toolbar that appears above your block. You'll notice a few icons there. Click on the second icon, which is the block transformation icon. This is the tool that allows you to switch one block type into another without having to rebuild your content from scratch. Once you click it, a list of available block types will appear, like heading, quote, columns, group, and more. Go through the list and select the block type that fits your design or layout goal best. The transformation happens instantly. Your block will immediately change to the new type while keeping your content intact. And here's the best part. The process is completely intuitive and reversible. If you change your mind or want to tweak the design, you can simply open the same icon again and switch to another block type. After the transformation, take a moment to make final adjustments. You can resize text, modify alignment, change colors, or adjust spacing to match your page layout perfectly. WordPress automatically saves your progress, so you don't have to worry about losing your changes. And that's it. You've just learned how to easily transform a block in WordPress. No coding, no confusion, and no wasted time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss my next WordPress guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we